Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called Adidas. And pretty much what it is a rain jacket that's also waterproof. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what it looks like first. So when we open the product, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can see. It still kind of has that noise when you guys put this jacket on or whatever, like this. I feel like for this Adidas jacket, the noise is not as bad as the North Face one. So if you guys can see right there, they have the little logo right there. That's Adidas and Terrex. This is their Terrex AX rain jacket. So actually, let me just put this on and show you guys what the product looks like. So basically, this is what the jacket looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely feels really amazing. Like you definitely feel the warmthness of the jacket itself. It has two pockets on both sides, you guys can see. So one right here. And also one right here. And then the interior of the jacket, you can see actually is pretty nice as well. But if you look at the back side of the jacket, it definitely still has that mesh material that's similar to like the North Face Resolve jacket, but it has this kind of like different material on here to keep you even extra warm. And it's like an extra protection layer to protect you from the wind when you guys wear the jacket. But let me actually just fully zip it and show you guys what it looks like when you guys fully zip it. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like when you guys fully zip the product. So on the bottom, they still have the adjustable strap. So if you guys want to make it tighter, you guys can. But I actually like it loose like this. If you guys want to use the pocket option, you guys can as well. It feels super nice. And also for the hood itself, it's actually adjustable. So if you guys want to, you guys can fold it up. So let me actually take off the jacket and show you guys what I mean. So basically how you guys put away the hood, just like roll it up like this. Or if you guys want to roll it up the other direction as well, you guys can do that. But I'm just going to use this direction for now. And then once you guys are done rolling up the product, you guys can actually open this little compartment right here. And then you guys can push it down or hide it inside like that. You guys can see. And then you guys can use the Velcro right here. If you guys can see, just tape it on right there. And then basically it hides away the hood, which is pretty awesome. So pretty much it's like the same design as the Resolve jacket. So let me put it on again and show you guys what it actually looks like again, but this time without the hood. So if you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like when you guys don't have the hood on. So if you guys feel the material that's on the neck part right here, it feels really warm, so it definitely keeps you warm. So then that way you guys don't only look good, but also you guys stay warm. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go do the waterproof test to see when it's actually waterproof and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the Adidas Terrex rainproof jacket. We're going to test out to see when it's actually waterproof or not. So let's get into it. Alright, so you can see that the jacket itself is actually waterproof. So like if you guys look at the jacket, the water is still on there, but you guys can just simply just wipe it off like that. Or just shake it off. And then all the water will come off, you guys can see. So the jacket itself is waterproof, and you guys feel the inside of the jacket. There's like no water at all inside, so the jacket itself is pretty waterproof. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work and it is waterproof. You guys did see a little bit of the water still is on there, but that's not a big issue. If you guys saw like on my North Face Resolve jacket and also the Venture jacket, the water stays on, but then it doesn't like stays on forever, or you guys don't feel the water inside. Most likely if you guys feel any kind of water or liquid inside the jacket, it'll be your sweat. And if you guys want to like wear more layers inside, you guys should definitely get like a bigger size. The one I'm wearing right now is a medium, so it fits me just right. And then one thing that's really amazing about this jacket is the fact that it's also quick drying. So if you guys sweat a lot and whatnot, you guys don't have to worry about it because it actually dries up really fast. It's not like a second fast, like it'll dry off after like a second or something, but it's a lot faster than like other material out there that doesn't dry as fast. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest, I had to say that this product is actually really worth it. I think it's just as good, if not better, than the North Face Resolve jacket and also the Venture jacket. The one thing that it doesn't have with this jacket is like the armpit area where it actually can open up like the Venture jacket. In terms of the windproof, obviously it's not the best compared to like other windproof jacket like my snow jacket, but it does its job better than like a lot of other normal jackets that are not windproof. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback with the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have